Alright guys, here we are again. Today's little episode, if you will, is going to be about this fancy little lawnmower issue we got going on. So let me put this around. And as you can see, the little handle there broke in half. I tried welding it once, but it didn't do a very good job. I'm not a professional welder by any means, so you know, sometimes you weld stuff up and then it re-breaks and you go, huh, alright. The good news is they say you get better with practice, so this gives me a little bit more practice time to see what we got going on here. Just kind of cleaned up the old weld and gave myself something new to weld too. So let's see what we can do here. Let me get a little tripod set up. All right, let's see what happens. Ooh, this completely whipped. Sweet, really good. The old safety squeeze. That's what it's all about. weld mode. Straight into weld mode. See what happens. Cool. That was my business. Solid. On this side. Way better that time than I did the first time. Heck yeah. We're below it. 10 minutes worth of welding. Let's get in for a little closer look here. Look at that thing. It ain't pretty, but I don't care as long as it holds. I can't see. There we go. So just give you guys kind of some background on this. Basically, it's essentially August 1st, and the lawnmower broke for the second time this summer. And you know, you got kind of three choices. You can go spend $400 buying a new lawnmower. Not a great idea at the end of the year. And really only got August and September to mow. Maybe into a little bit into October here in Kansas City. You just never know. Most of the time it starts getting cold. Grass kind of stops growing somewhere around October, mid-October. So option number two, obviously Facebook Marketplace, which ironically enough, that's where I got this mower. So you know, just trying to get a little more use out of it before the end of the summer. You know, I kind of mow my mother-in-law's house and mine as well. And so kind of took my good mower over to her house because she has a hill, so it's self-propelled the whole nine. And then kind of left this one here at my house because my yard's pretty flat and whatnot. So, and then obviously option number three was the most affordable. It was free. Got out here and kind of grinded a little bit, welded a little bit. I'll probably clean up those welds a little bit and throw some paint on, and hope it lasts the rest of the summer. And if it does, great. And maybe we'll go buy a new mower next year for my house. Maybe not. Just never know. Might just roll this one till it officially dies. So the motor still runs great. Tires are in great shape. I mean, it's actually a pretty nice mower for, you know, the $100 I gave for it off Marketplace. Just not self-propelled, which is, you know, what's fine with me. I don't really need it. My yard's pretty flat, so yeah, that was a quick little fix. You know, like I say, I'm not a welder, so definitely comment and tell me what I did wrong. But nothing a grinder can't fix makes me a grinder, right? So anyway, talk to you guys later. All right, let's get a look in here and see how good we did on welding. Probably not very good. Oh. Yeah, she's pretty now. Got some nice little grinding marks all over it. See if I can get inside here. This side, if I can get it to focus, that actually looks decent. I come down here, kind of get a look at it. Not sure why it won't focus. What is going on? Alright, I guess it won't focus. Oh well, you get the hint. You get the gist of it. Almost perfect. Oh, there's an island wall. My bad. Get down the mower.